Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Evanity Star coming back to you with another video. Guys, yes, I am on my fifth day. My fifth day, guys, and trust me, I can't wait to eat this food because I was so hungry. But I said, you know what, I have to do this. It's a journey that I'm on, and I know some of you guys is on it with me, and I've been on it. And I tell you guys, I feel much better in my body. I feel much better in my tummy.
A razor, EIT. What a good life me have from me bone. Full of good time, man have fi thrown. From a little child until now me grown. Know where me head and where me coming from. God are you in control. Move me so real like a tractor. Blessings me feel I'm a victor. EIT on the beat.
I'm feeling lighter, guys. I'm feeling lighter. This is the fifth day. And today here, guys, I have carrot with beetroot and collard green. Yes, I steam it down because like I tell you guys, I don't like to eat the raw. If I have to eat the raw, then I don't think I'm gonna really enjoy it. So I have to kind of flavor it a little bit so that it comes very tasty. So with my usual, guys, I use my onion and my tomato, my bell pepper, and my garlic. I didn't use any turmeric today, no, because it's so colorful. So, and then I steam down the vegetables. I steam the seasoning, like the onion, the tomato, the garlic, and the sweet pepper, or the bell pepper. I put them all together, steam it down. Now saute it, guys. I saute it, and when I saute it, then I just throw the carrot in and let the carrot steam a little bit with it, and then I put in the beetroot, slice up the beetroot and put it in it. Then I put the collard green in it. Yes, guys, that is my meal today. And I don't know the taste yet. Yeah. We're gonna do it. It is tasty. Yeah, tasty. And this is my water, my spring water with electrolytes. Yes. And I can actually see the difference, guys, that my body is coming down. But I'm not trying to make it a weight thing, because if I am dieting and I don't see a change of the weight, it's like it's very disencouraging for me. So I am not going to be going on the scale until my 30 days is up. So guys, I'm going to be praying for this food, dear Father in heaven. As I come and pray, I want to thank you again for another blessing that you have bestowed upon me, and to take me to the fifth day. And I want you to allow me to continue this, and that I may be healthy and strong. These are actually humbly in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Yes, guys, I'm going to be consuming this. Guys, to be honest with you, I didn't know what to prepare. And when I started this here, I said, what am I going to cook? And then when I look in the fridge, I saw carrot and I saw beetroot and I saw collard green. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to put these together. So guys, you can try it out because it is very tasty. I was comfortable in using the beetroot because I know I have friends. I have a friend from Russia, and she used to cook beetroot soup. So I know I could do this. But guys, this is my own invention. I've never seen anybody does this here, like what I'm doing, but it's okay. You guys can try it. If you're on a healthy journey and you don't know exactly what to use, you know what I'm saying? But like my grandmother said, you have to turn hand and make fashion. Take your hand, turn hand and make fashion, yeah? And the beetroot tastes so nice. You know, guys, a lot of you guys use beetroot to make beetroot juice. Yeah. This here, cooking it this way, so nice. This is off the chain delicious. So guys, you know, I'll have to be taking my food to work because I want to continue like this so that I can maintain what I say, you know what I mean? I want to be true to my words. I'm only human, guys. You see my mouth is red because of beetroot. No. Yes, guys. The beetroot is good for the blood. Yes. And another thing, guys, I put a sprinkle of salt on it to give it that taste instead of, you know, with our fresh, you know what I mean? Because my body needs sodium. And guess what, guys? My son stopped cooking. He has not been in the kitchen when he see me doing this and say, Mama, Mommy, keep this up. Keep this up. My son said he has never eaten anything like this, and I know he hasn't, but I know he's gonna enjoy it. But he's not gotten up yet, so I know he's gonna enjoy this. Very tasty. But guys, cheer me on. Cheer me on. Cheer me on. Please do. I'm tempted. I'm so tempted. But I want to do this. Then last night, I was watching Carla Cece video and how she prepared her meal, and I tell you, a sudden hunger just hit my belly. A sudden hungry, I'm telling you. A sudden hungry just take over my belly, and I just, it's like if I had the food in front of me, I'd have to taste it. Yeah. That's so delicious. I never knew that carrot and beetroot mixed together like this in a stew. We call it green, would taste so delicious. So guys, if you have this in the kitchen and you say you don't have a meal, you're telling a lie. I'm telling you, you're telling a lie. You're telling a lie. Because this is proof. This is proof. This is too good. And then, you know, the carrot just nice. You're able to chew it, so your saliva can saturate to it, so that the digestion can really start in the mouth instead of you just so starved that you just swallow it. So you want digestion to take place in the mouth first, guys. So that's why I didn't cook it all the way. I just partially cook it so I can still chew it. Yes. Yes, guys. And this is gonna be filling. Try this, guys. Try this. I don't know what to name it. I'm just gonna call it carrot, beetroot with collard green stew. yes. I don't know what to call it. Because it's not something that I see prepared, you know. Yes, guys, this is my own invention. My own invention, yes. My own spin on things. So delicious. Alright. Filling. Guys, your mind and your brain, your senses, especially your smell, your taste, is stimulated to what you're familiar with, you know, according to what you're used to, what you like. But knowing that I'm getting to know this for the first time and tasting it, and I'm able to eat it, it's such a blessing. I'm telling you, it is such a blessing. I'm telling you guys, this is not easy. It is really not. I'm not gonna be jumping up and tell you, oh yeah, it is all easy. No. I went to the grocery store yesterday with my husband. I was just looking around and looking around and seeing all the stuff and seeing all the stuff and seeing all the stuff. I didn't do the, you know, I just went there and I purchased some basic level, you know, home items and stuff. And my mind wasn't tempted. I wasn't, you know, somehow my mind wasn't tempted. I was just looking on what and say, okay, that is not good for me. 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 That don't have life. That don't have life. I was shocked. I was doing that, guys. I was really doing that. I was looking at what have life and what don't have life. So yeah. This is off the chain, man. I'm telling you. I can't believe I'm eating something so delicious. And it's so simple. Yes. I'm so full now. So full. So full. Can't believe it. This is such a delicious meal. Such a delicious meal. Oh my God, I can't believe it. And you see, if you don't understand, you just don't understand. If you're a person who eat meat a lot and you have to go without meat, it's very hard to find what to prepare, especially when you cut out a certain amount of things out of your diet. Because right now, guys, I am not having any sugar, no flour, no rice, no bread. None of the sweetening, nothing except for what you see I'm having here. Fruits and vegetables. But I don't like the chewy type of vegetable. If I don't steam it, then I can't eat it. You know what I mean? Because I don't like eating raw vegetables. I have to try it though. But the one thing I like that is raw is cucumber. I will eat cucumber. Chew on cucumber. Yes, I will chew on cucumber. But this is very tasty, guys. This is I guess anything that you have to put salt in, guys. Anything that you have to put salt in, with scallion and onion and tomatoes and all those nice seasonings, yeah. And I know this is gonna make my blood rich. So this is my 5th day of eating clean, guys. My 5th day. my 5th day, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself, guys. And I'm thanking you for being there for me to watch. I was on somebody's live last night, and you know, I was going to the live and just saying hi to people, and he said, "Hi, welcome Evanity Star." He said he liked my name, because when he saw the name, he's like, as he heard the name Evanity Star, his head turned. And he was saying, "Oh, your 4th day of eating clean." And I was like, yeah, you say, I like this. So I think, guys, I really do think I am doing the right thing. And I just hope you come on the journey with me, guys, because I've seen changes in, today's the 5th day. I've seen changes in my body. Not no whole lot, but you can see, guys, I look a little slender. Because, you know, 5 days I would be eating 3 meals a day. 5 days, you know, just eating, snacking stuff, and eating this and eating that and eating that. But for right now, I'm just snacking on just some chopped up fruits and just eating one little major, you know, salad. You know, this way, I prepare my salad, because that's the way I like it. Because I don't want to be using any of those mayonnaise and preservative, all of those stuff. I don't like those type of stuff, because I don't know what make them. And sometimes when I used to eat them just to give that added flavor to my salad, it tends to give me a ugly feeling in my body. So I don't want to have it. I really don't want to have it, unless somebody can recommend a good, healthy, nice, clean salad dressing for me, then that will be fine. So if you know any good, clean salad dressing that would not give me any after effect, guys, you can recommend it to me. So guys, I am feeling good. I'm not going to tell you I feel 100% energized, but I feel lighter. And I want you to come on this journey. And I noticed there's a change in my skin. I don't know if it's because I'm drinking a lot of water, because, you know, I've seen a lot of people drink water and it really don't do any difference with it, you know what I mean? But I've seen a lot of changes in terms of my skin. My skin is getting a little looser, so I have to go start doing some exercise to really tone up my muscles and stuff like that. But I feel a little different, and yesterday I put on a jeans pants that couldn't button out my waist, and it eventually buttoned. Yes, I was able to pull it up easily, and I had to pull in my tummy a little bit, and then I buttoned it. Normally, it would be like 6, 7, 8 inches away, and I have to be squeezing in my belly, and then I put up the button and pull up the zip. When I pull up the zip, there's a little flesh hanging over at the top of my belly. You know those type of way, guys. No, I gotta put it on, pull it up. Yeah, just draw it up, and you know I have to still squeeze it into button it, but not bad. You know, that's just relative. And then I just drop the zip, and there's nothing hanging over or anything. I was like, oh my God, something is happening here. So guys, I want you to continue on this journey with me, guys. Watch me and see how successful I am going to become. So this time, guys, I will just be paying attention to myself. And guys, for the live, I will be trying to change up the platform a little bit. I am kind of gonna I'm doing some research. I'm doing some different things that I have to do. My job duty is 7 in the morning and 7 until 7 at night. So some of the days when I come home from work, guys, I will not be able to do any live, because you know when you work 7 in the morning till 7 at the night, you have to get up at least 5:30 to get ready, and then to go to work and have a hectic day, and then to come back again in to do live again. It's not going to be feasible for most of the time. So whenever I know I have a day off, yes, if I come in from work and I have a day off, I may be able to do the live. Because normally when you work as a nurse, you know, your work load, you have to try and finish up your workload. So you have to do a lot of documentation after your shift is over, so may not get back in on time. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll just take it as the day goes by, guys. But I will not leave you hanging, and I'll try and take you guys, some of you guys, as far as I can take you. But guys, I'll be moving on to different platforms, different avenues, and different ideas. I will be doing panels where I have people coming on the panels and talk about certain topics. And guys, if you want to come and participate and be a part of that, look forward to that. I'll be announcing it nicely so you guys can understand. So I want you to be there with me, guys, through thick and thin. And remember, the race is not for the swift, but for those who can endure to the end. Okay? And remember to walk good, be safe, be kind to each other. Think positive. And when you think positive and put it out in the universe, positivity will surely come to you. And guys, anything that you do that is prosperous, that's prosperous in your life, go 100%. Do not give up, be kind. Do not give up, be kind. Persevere, and press on. And trust me, you'll get to that destination. And like my grandmother used to say, if you can't be good, be careful. Walk good, guys.
A razor, BIT. What a good life me have from me bone. Full of good time, my man have fi thrown. From a little child until now me grown. Know where me head and where me coming from. God, are you in control? Move me so real like a tractor. Blessings me feel I'm a victor. BIT on the beat make me sing song. God, I'm thankful today for everything that you've given to me. I feel so happy today, and every time feels better for me. God, I'm thankful today. Oh, I feel so happy today. Oh, your love for me, God, is ever non-stop. A reason why me feeling so grateful. I could have never ever bow down to each and any kind of temptation that them come around. We try to make me fall, but you make me strong. Now me sing a song and give it you all. Take it from me, Lord God, I adore you. There's no other thing I could put above you. Given full strength, now my heart, you're so true. Help me live a life that you want me to. Oh yes, you are the best. Bradfield confess to your bless, no man guess. Get through the test, but me still hold no face. And everything I fed, but you're always my strength. God, I'm thankful today for everything that you've given to me. I feel so happy today, and every time feels better for me. God, I'm thankful today. Oh, I feel so happy today. Oh, me really can't see what the thing me waiting for. Figure thanks and praise up to you, Lord. You got me blessings flowing on and before. We such a greatest if me act like me not know. You make me live a life that is satisfied to your side. For you never lie, God give me light in any fight. I will always try just to make it right to your side. Now you're outside, hold me every time. It feels so nice, hard to deny. You make me a better man in this life. I'm unrecognized. Your love for me, Lord, can never change. God, I'm thankful today for everything that you've given to me. I feel so happy today, and every time feels better for me. God, I'm thankful today. Oh, I feel so happy today. Oh, you give me everything me wanting. Lord, that you alone say me wanting. Make me comfortable when me step in, and when me come out, your blessings are follow me. You make it so easy. Now for providence I'm full of conscience. Give me straight, keep me straight. In this life now make me go astray. With you my Lord, say me wanna stay. God, I'm thankful today for everything that you've given to me. I feel so happy today, and every